Thanks for coming back to watch another video. In this video we discuss the best foods for building muscle and burning fat. 1. Lean proteins. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. When it comes to building muscle and burning fat, it's important to choose lean protein sources, such as chicken, turkey, fish, beans, and tofu. These options are lower in calories and fat, and can help you feel full and satisfied after meals. 2. Healthy fats. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are bad for you. In fact, certain types of fats can be beneficial for building muscle and burning fat. These include monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can be found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These healthy fats can help you feel full and satisfied, and may also help improve your body's ability to burn fat. 3. Complex carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are an important source of energy, and they can also help you build muscle. However, it's important to choose complex carbs that are high in fiber, such as whole grains, sweet potatoes, and beans. These types of carbs are slower to digest and can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. 4. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are packed with nutrients and fiber, and they can help you feel full and satisfied while also providing energy. Be sure to include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet to get the most benefits. 5. Hydration. Staying hydrated is important for overall health, and it's also essential for building muscle and burning fat. Aim to drink at least 8–10 cups of water per day, and consider adding electrolyte-rich drinks like coconut water or sports drinks to your routine to help replenish lost fluids during intense workouts. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you choose the best foods for building muscle and burning fat. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making any major changes to your diet.